Hi guys, this is Yemazon MHL. Welcome to my channel, the Crypto Cannabis YouTube channel. In this channel, I drop updates about crypto and also videos about crypto airdrops. And if you're new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I drop any fascinating video like this. Without further ado, let's get started into this video. Notice earlier today, the Ice Open Network introduced a new project on their blockchain. If you have been following the iSupport network on their X handle, you will see a notification today. You just introduced a project called Doctor X meme. Sorry, Doctor X meme. Yeah, this project is the first step to earn on the multi X by powered by Ice Open Network. So this mining app is also found also the same thing as other mining apps on the X in the Ice Open network. And this app, as of today, it has already generated over, I think, over 300,000 users. Yes. So, and there's a news again I just found on the Doctor X handle itself. It said major news: mining DRX will be available only until December 4th. That means we are only mining this on this project for 2 months. So when the preparation for TGE and distribution starts, it's a time ticking. So stack those tokens while you still don't miss out. So this project you only allowed to farm this on this project rather for just 2 months. So I will advise you, as you're watching this video, just go to the description of this channel, click on the link which will allow you to sign up and get started and farming on this project. So let's go to the app and check out the interface looks like and what to do and how to start mining on the app. So coming to the app, this is how the interface of the app looks like. You can see if you are running or farming on other projects on the Ice Open network, you should be familiar with this interface because this the interface all of them as such as SunWave, Source, Seal Send. This is how their interface also looks like. So it's also the same thing. And as you can see here, I just got started also, not for long. So I only have 2 referrals and I've been able to gather up to 7,225 DRX on my balance here, and my earning rate is 125 DRX per hour. So this is how it is done. All you have to do is just to click the link in the description of this video. It takes you to where you can download the app and get started on this video. And the things you can do is just by following them on their X and joining their Telegram channel. And after that, you can also earn more DRX, like 2000 DRX, by inviting your friends into the app. So these are the little things you can do on the app. There's not much. All you have to do is just keep accumulating more DRX for the times lapse. And I will advise you to get on board now before they start introducing mining Ivan, like they start slashing the earning rate. So if we get started now, you're able to accumulate much points than those who will join late. So all you have to do is just check on the description of this video. You find the link there. Get started as fast as much as possible to accumulate more DRX. Also, again, you also can find a link to other projects on the iSupport network. As you can see them, the pictures beside this video. You can get started on all those networks if you haven't before. So just click the description of this video. You'll find the links to all these other projects. Also, you can also join my Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description also, and you can follow me on my X page. You'll also find the link in the description of this video. So if you find this video educative and interesting, just give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe on this channel to be notified anytime I drop another video. So this is all I have for you on the Dr. X meme on the eyes open network. Peace out.